Oh, what's up? What's up again? This is day 8 for the Build in Public for AI for Pinoys. And ano ako kwento ko today? Madami ako kwento today. The one you're seeing on the screen is actually my fit check leads, which was generated by Gemini, to be honest. Like, sobrang galing ni Gemini in doing this. Hindi ko na pakita sa inyo eh. Hanapin ko pa kasi siya. Hindi ko sinet up na maayos to. No? Anyway, but yeah, I did like lead generation. Hanapin ko nga also ko siya nilagay. Here, eh. There. There. Anyway, so ginawa ko lang sa kanya is basically I asked Gemini to do a research, comprehensive research on what will, anong market or anong brands would match the fit check. Fit check. So hindi alam niyo yung fit check. Fit check is yung app na ginawa ko. Fit check muna is basically yung app na ginawa ko where you do a virtual try on of clothes. No? So it's still an MVP. It's, you can access it naman sa AI for Pinoy's na platform, but it's still an MVP, but it's a growing MVP, meaning napaganda ko na now, no? But yeah, nagawa niya to, no? So this is basically like there's an international needs and then page needs. Take note, this is actually generated also by Gemini, no? Meaning siya na yung gumawa ng Google Sheets, no? So I don't need an N8N. I didn't do any workflow for whatever. So I just use Gemini to generate all of this. Why? Because Gemini has access to Google Maps, has access to Google Search, so can do URL context grounding. So basically can scan all the different websites. So it did basically a scan of all the different websites that fit the category in nilagay ko na. So if you're interested in learning about how I did that, I can give you like a quick course naman, a tutorial on how it's done. Then so yun, I've been going through each of the websites and each of the social media handles ng potential client. No? Maliban dyan, aside from that, I developed already so I had to do a PRD. What's a PRD? Like a product requirement development niya. So inano ko kasi siya. So basically I trying to come up with like a new sort of like a new angle on the fit check when it becomes like a production per production use now, meaning production level na siya. So madaming requirements, madami yung chinek at madami yung kailangan abaguhin. So that's one thing I'm kind of proud of na nagawa ko. So it's the product requirement na brief na ginawa ko for fit check. The other one is since lagi ako gumagawa ng thumbnails, so gumawa na rin ako na gumawa na rin ako ng PRD for thumbnails. So basically it's a PRD. So hindi makakala ng PRD. It's basically like your guidebook on whenever you develop an application or you're doing a project on something. No? So it contains the summary, everything, the step by step, the how tos, ano yung technical specifications ng isang project mo, if it's a web app, ano yung functionalities niya, ano yung features niya, ano yung everything that you can think of, at least on the initial level, no, what you're planning to do for the application. No? So it's good to have this, para siyang task list lang or para siyang ito yung mga gusto kong mangyari. No? So when you do develop the app, at least may basihan ka na. No? So may more or less meron ka lang macro overview on how the the whole project or of the whole web application will come out in your head or at least in physically or pag nagawa mo siya, develop mo siya as a application or an MVP or a prototype, no? So yeah, ginawa ko siya for gumawa ko kasi so dalawa na yung PRD na ginawa ko. One for fit check, a redo of the fit check muna. And then the second one is to do a thumbnail. Kasi napansin ko like I've been using so if ano naman siya, may workflow naman ako for thumbnails, like creating a thumbnail for like this build in public for YouTube Shorts, right? So I don't like to spend time na lang with building it na sisigawan yung mga pungsa sa labas. Di ko alam bakit sisigaw. Kaya pa yan sisigawan. Ano tawag dito? Wala ako. Yun, so kailangan ko kasi siya for YouTube Shorts, for Reels, at yung mga specifications. Based the transcript of this video. Like, so, ang gusto kong mangyari is, if I upload the transcript, babasahin siya based on the requirements na dinefine ko na sa kanya. Babasahin niya yung transcript na yun. And it will come up with one, a viral hook title, two, a viral hook description for each of the to call this medium, let's say kung TikTok siya or for YouTube Shorts or for Instagram Reels. And then it would come up with the thumbnail. So it would have variations of thumbnails depending on your choice, no? You can upload your photo, you can upload whatever image you want to reference as like yung may gusto mong photo doon. So, ganun ang ginawa ko. So, I'm creating an application for that. Maybe spending like maybe 2 to 3 5 days lang just for my internal use. This is not gonna be for external use or for a public, but I just want to do it for myself because it would make my work or make my life a lot easier. So, plug in na lang ako, download na lang. So, it would make it mas makaka-save ako ng hours, no? So, yun lang, yeah, that's like just the build in public for today. Not much really, just yun lang, yun I think medyo yun nakakapagod, mentally nakakapagod na siya to think about it. So yun lang, I think sobrang haba na pala ng ano ko, nagsasalita. But anyway, thank you very much and have a great day. Ikaw lang, great day, great night.